students, we will continue the same exercise 7C, question number 7. Okay beta, the question is, if a plus b plus c plus d into a minus b minus c plus d is equal to a plus b minus c minus d, a minus b plus c minus d, prove that, this is given, prove that a ratio b is equal to c ratio d. So first we write down the given part. So we can write as a plus b plus c plus d and send a plus b minus c minus d and denominator a plus b minus c minus d, because it is an into. If suppose we are having a into b is equal to c into d, so we can write down as a by c is equal to d by b. Okay, when we do the cross multiplication, again it will come. A into b is equal to c into d. Okay, so we write down. Okay, so it will be a plus b plus c plus d upon and a minus b plus c minus d upon a minus b minus c plus d. After sending the denominator and arranging, we will apply componendo and dividendo. Okay, componendo and dividendo, it will be a plus b plus c plus d, it will be in plus a plus b minus c minus d upon a plus b plus c minus a plus b minus c minus d, same as it is in right hand side, a minus b plus c minus d, it will be plus, and in denominator it will be minus. Okay, this is the componendo and dividendo. What is the componendo and dividendo? If a upon b is equal to c upon d, so by componendo and dividendo it will be a plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d, same as it is. Okay, now when we open the bracket, then plus c minus c cancel, plus d minus d cancel. Same as it is when we open the bracket and denominator, so sign will change, minus will be plus and plus will be minus. So positive negative cancel, positive b negative b cancel. What will be left? 2a plus 2b in numerator and 2c plus 2d in denominator. Same, and right hand side 2a minus 2b in numerator and 2c minus 2d in denominator. After that again we will apply by alternando and we can say cross multiplication, 2a upon 2b upon same variable left hand side, other variables right hand side. Same variables we will take together. Okay, 2a plus 2b upon 2a minus 2b, cross multiplication you can say, and you can say by alternando. So 2c plus 2b upon 2c minus 2b. What is the common? 2, take common 2f. So it will be a plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d. And after that again we will apply componendo and dividendo. So it will be a plus b plus a minus b, a plus b minus, when we open the bracket it will be minus a plus b. Here again componendo and dividendo, so it will be c plus d plus c minus d upon c plus d minus c plus d when we open the bracket. And when we solve it, plus b minus b cancel, plus a minus a cancel, plus d minus d cancel, plus c minus d cancel. What will have? 2a upon 2b is equal to 2c upon 2d. So 2 common, a upon b is equal to c upon d. A ratio b is equal to c ratio d. Hence proved. Okay beta. Question is lengthy but it is so easy. Only calculation part is there. Apply componendo and dividendo. All question based on the properties componendo and dividendo and alternando. Okay beta. So let's do next question. Question number 9. Exercise 7C. Question number 9. square plus b square into x square plus y square is equal to ax plus by whole square. Then prove that a upon x is equal to b upon y. Prove that. So first we write the given part. Okay beta. So it is given a square plus b square into x square plus y square is equal to ax plus by whole square. It's very easy. First we do the multiplication. First term multiply by first term. A square x square plus a square y square plus b square x square plus b square y square. Now right hand side ax plus by whole square. Open the a plus b whole square is the identity. A plus b whole square, what will be the identity? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So it will be a square x square plus b square y square plus 2ab. A is ax and b is by. 2abxy. Okay. Now when we solve, a square x square cancel. B square y square cancel. What will left? Write down. A square y square plus b square x square is equal to 2ab xy. Now send 2ab xy left hand side. Okay. So it will be a square y square plus b square x square minus 2ab xy is equal to 0. Now if you observe here, this is the identity of a minus b whole square. We know that the identity of a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. If we let this is a, this whole a square y square is a, is b. Okay, so a square y square, b square x square, and then minus 2ab. A is a square y square something. Okay, yes, minus 2ab. Here a is ay and b is bx. Okay, so apply here the identity of a minus b whole square. A is, this is the identity of a y minus b x whole square. When we open the identity, it will come a square y square plus b square x square minus 2ab. 2a is ay and b is bx. So 2ab xy is equal to 0. After that, we will take square root on both sides. So it will be ay ay minus bx is equal to 0. Now send bx right hand side, so it will be ay is equal to bx positive. Now we need a upon x, so send x and denominator of x, denominator of a upon x is equal to b upon y, hence proved. Okay beta, this is so easy. Solve for the given part, a square b square into x square plus y square. Do the multiplication and after that make the identity ay minus bx whole square is 0. Square root of 0 will be 0 when we take square root on both sides. So it will be ay minus bx is equal to 0 and ay is equal to bx. So a upon x is equal to b upon y. This is the answer. Okay beta. Now question number 10. First part. number 10 is, if A, B and C are in continued proportion, prove that first part A square plus AB plus B square upon B square plus BC plus C square is equal to A upon C. Okay, it is given beta A, B and C are in continued proportion. If they are in continued proportion, it means A ratio B is equal to B ratio C. This is the continued proportion. It means A upon B is equal to B upon C. We let as any constant K. So what will be the value of A? If we compare, A upon B is equal to K. So A is equal to BK and B is equal to CK. If A is equal to BK and B is equal to CK, cross multiplication. So when we put the value of B, CK in place of B, so it will be the value of A is equal to, in place of B we can put CK into K. So it will be CK square. Okay beta? It is given, it's continued proportion. So first we find the value of A and B in terms of C. Okay, and after that first we solve for the left hand side and after that we solve for right hand side. So what is the left hand side? A square plus AB plus B square upon B square plus BC plus C square. Take left hand side. Okay, now put the value of A and B. What is the value of A square? A square, the value of A in terms of C. Okay, A is equal to CK square. So A square will be CK square plus AB. A is CK square into B. B is CK into CK plus B square. What is the B? CK. So it will be CK square upon, now B square, CK square plus BC. B is CK and C will be the same, C plus C square. Now solve for a square. So it will be C square K raised to the power 4 plus C square and 1 C more. So it will be C cube K square into K cube plus C square K square upon C square K square plus C square K plus C square. Now after that we will take common. What is the common in numerator? C square K square, C square K square, C square K square. So what is the common? C square K square. We take common C square K square. What will be left in bracket? Only K square plus 1C and K, C K, and then take C square K square 1C K, okay, plus 1 K square plus C upon. Now in denominator what is the common? C square. Why is C left here? Okay, take common. C square is a common. C square K. C square, it will be K square plus K plus 1. C square K square. A, B. A is C K square. C k square. So it will be c square. Yes beta, this is c square. So when we take common, we left k only. Okay. Now k square plus k plus 1 cancelled. So it is c square k square upon c square. C square also cancelled. What will have? K square. Okay. Now solve for right hand side. Right hand side is a upon c. What is the value of a? Value of a is ck square. Ck square upon c. C cancel. K square. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Okay beta. First, what is the given? A, B and C are in the continued proportion. So A ratio B is equal to B ratio C. Let as a constant K. A upon B is equal to B upon C is equal to K. And after that we will find the value of A and B in terms of K. So value of A is equal to Bk and value of B is equal to Ck. So in A, in place of B we can put Ck. So value of A is equal to Ck square. Now first we take the left hand side and put the value of A and B in terms of C and solve for it. And after that we solve for right hand side. And the value of left hand side is k square and the value of right hand side is also be k square. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it is proved. Okay beta. So exercise 7c is almost done. 1-2 questions are left and the second part is you can try yourself, and in notebook you will do only mark question. Okay beta. So thank you for today. Bye bye. Take care.